The most helpful book ever published will teach everyone how nature creates people's personalities, including the natural trends labeled as learn and adopt analyses associated with personality. What is the meaning of the natural trends labeled as learn and adopt analyses? Well, it is fair to say, this is the natural occurring tendency or one of nature's trends observed in people's personalities from one of the four groups of personality that repeats and is profoundly noticed in personality. You see, rather than boldly listing these natural trends that may be too boring to comprehend, they are instead placed into real-life situations to make them come to life and appear more interesting, and are labeled as learn and adopt analyses. For example, here is a learn and adopt analysis example pertaining to doer-type people. It says you receive great satisfaction by doing, you are a doer, and more than anyone else. You see, this is more interesting rather than simply listing this observed natural trend as a doer. By adding a real-life situation to the natural trend being presented, comprehension will be more appealing and easier to understand. So these natural trends labeled and presented as learn and adopt analyses are permanent, natural occurring, tendencies which show up causing happiness or hardship in life. While these natural tendencies labeled and presented as learn and adopt analyses can only be observed, they will never vanish. You see, nature is known to be associated with these natural tendencies labeled and presented as learn and adopt analyses in many walks of life, and not only in personality but in other areas of life. For example, to name some, such as in chemistry, a battery chemical composition increase making it to become more powerful in energy emissions, or in the field of energy a catalyst is added to facilitate a more solid ignition reaction to construct powerful fuels, or any natural occurring trends to exist by nature, or any natural trends in life imaginable. Yes, even in personalities. These observed natural tendencies labeled and presented as learn and adopt analyses, which anyone can observe for himself or herself, occur most often enough to consider them a reliable trend. The most helpful book ever published will identify them for you, and these natural tendencies labeled and presented as learn and adopt analyses you will read about will give you the advantage of understanding trend patterns of people. When you learn about these natural tendencies labeled and presented as learn and adopt analyses, you will be able to predict how a person is most likely to function in their life. You see, each chapter in the most helpful book ever published contains what is called a learn and adopt analyses section, or what's known as one of nature's trends, which is presented for you to learn from. These learn and adopt analyses are a source of help for you to learn from about yourself, and that hopefully you will adopt. This is very fun and simple to do by allowing you to become more acquainted with the natural trends described rather than only being listed. So what is an example of this natural tendencies labeled and presented as learn and adopt analyses? For example, in one group of people with similar birth date ranges, it was consistently found that they all had a natural tendency labeled and presented as learn and adopt analyses of emotional tendency in life all the time. They could act with a high emotional level, resembling a strong sense of character and emotions, with vivid feelings towards others, with the natural tendency to bond life together to help support others. This resulted in a higher fulfillment in the most meaningful way. There was increased improvement by reaching out to relationships with an emotional, meaningful way, creating strong bonds with others. The emotional tendency they experienced brought on tremendous happiness, and this was important to discover. You have to know what makes you happy in life. The most difficult part was uncovering the emotional tendency and what that would be. The problem was recognizing or pinpointing the fact that this emotional tendency existed. This resulted in fulfilling their life in the most meaningful way. They improved their life by reaching out at whatever goal it took in the way of achieving a greater relationship at work or home, or working harder for a promotion, or anything to achieve improved relationships, and even leading to more prosperity. They really considered their emotional tendency to be high, making them more successful with their goals of all types. This made them very happy, and this was important to discover. You have to know what makes you happy in life. You see, once you are aware of the emotional tendency, especially about the emotional tendency you may have yourself, you can embrace it, and help others to learn about it as well, giving you the advantage of perfecting your life. To really discover what makes a person having an emotional tendency to pursue goals. Remember this, there is one observation that was found for sure: no matter whom you are, everyone must realize that the natural occurring emotional tendency is observed by 25% of people's personalities from one of the four groups of personality that repeats and is profoundly noticed in personality. This is a reality in life that nobody can escape. The most helpful book ever published will help everyone to recognize the emotional tendency pattern that lingers among people's personalities. This will result in a better understanding of why people have success with life, especially yourself. So why do some people have an emotional tendency? Thank goodness they exist. However, if you observe everyone more closely, even through the generations, you will notice a reoccurring emotional tendency pattern that is similar to everyone belonging to a certain birth date range that never goes away. An emotional tendency found in a personality can be regarded as being very special to bring us all fulfillment in life. So how can this great work of literature help everyone to learn more about people's personalities? The core or body of this exciting material contains 8 chapters which describe and uncover the unique ways of how nature shapes us in a special way that improves your comprehension of understanding personalities to the point that you really can read people like a book, and in a way like never before. This means you will understand why people act and behave the way they do with their unique habits, all shaped by nature. You will learn about nature's personality factory that creates personalities similar to how an auto factory creates cars. 10 years went into writing this informative material. The official copyright was established and recorded in the United States in the year 2022. This is a very rare original work that can't be found anywhere else. The most helpful book ever published sets an example with the goal and desire to present a great work of quality material in a newly discovered science from the publishing industry to help others gain better health, wealth, and knowledge for a terrific future. This is a rare work that can't be found anywhere else. If you have a hobby or are a professional book collector or are thinking about starting a book collection, you can add value to your collection by collecting this first signature edition offered here. You don't have to read the whole book ever, because you will only be reading the sections which pertain to you, as this will be explained with very easy comprehension to see that you won't be reading with much labor at all, with mostly short readings. You only read what you need. This rare work of literature was written with the following strict guidelines, which were more difficult than any doctor program at any university. First, it must be a new scientific discovery that no mind has ever touched. Second, it must be non-fiction. Third, it must receive an official registration of copyright by the United States government. This book is certainly very informative, and you will learn fascinating concepts to understand people better. This means no more struggling in your life trying to guess what you are good at, who your best companion is, or what career you're cut out for. The entire book is designed for easy comprehension and is very simple. In fact, you won't be reading this material with much labor at all, with mostly short readings. Add the most helpful book ever published to your collection now. The entire book is designed for easy comprehension and is very simple. In fact, you won't be reading this material with much labor at all, with mostly short readings. Add the most helpful book ever published to your collection now. P.S. Thomas W. Anti searches on Google and Yahoo quickly finds you, the most helpful book ever published.